Alright. Here.
Like, okay, it's licked my face enough.
Yeah, I think she's licked out.
Ew.
Oh, God, don't let it lick her in the
For what, Josh?
I'm taking a movie.
Oh, great. Doesn't have sound, too, I hope.
Yeah, it does.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that sucks. Edit that part.
Ew. This is unsanitary. That's gross. You're a bad grandfather. Caught on tape.
Yeah, I know.
Good job.
It's a movie star. Ew! Gross. Dude, she just spit all over.
Thank you very much. Somebody want to get a napkin or something, you know?